In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to link Robinhood. By the end, you'll have your account connected so you can deposit and withdraw money confidently and without confusion. We'll walk through the desktop process for linking a bank, and then I'll show you how to add a debit card for faster deposits in some cases. First, let's link your bank account on desktop. Start by logging into Robinhood on your computer. Once you're in, look for the account section. This is where your key settings live. Open it, then find linked accounts and choose Add New Account. You'll see a list of banks to pick from. Select your bank to continue. A secure login window will appear for your bank. Enter your bank credentials and follow the on-screen prompts. This may include a quick identity check from your bank, like a code sent to you just to confirm it's really you. When you're done, confirm the connection. You'll be brought back to Robinhood where you should see your bank now listed as a linked account. That's it for the bank link. Once it's set, you can move money in and out when you need to. If you prefer to use a debit card or you want quicker access to deposited funds, you can also link a debit card. Head back to Add Account and choose Debit Card. Enter your card details carefully, including the number, expiration date, and security code. After that, Robinhood will verify your card with a very small temporary charge or by providing a short verification code. Watch for that code or charge detail and complete the prompt to confirm it's your card. The small charge is typically reversed, and once verified, your card is ready to use for deposits. A few tips to make this smooth. Double-check you're on the official Robinhood site or app before entering any information, and be sure your bank login and card details are accurate to avoid delays. If your bank prompts you for additional verification, go ahead and complete it. It's a normal part of secure linking. Keep in mind that while debit card deposits can be faster, availability and limits can vary, so plan your transfers accordingly. With your bank or debit card linked, you can fund your account, start investing, and withdraw back to your linked account whenever you need to. Take a moment to confirm everything looks correct under linked accounts, and you're all set. Thanks for watching. If this helped, you're ready to move money confidently in Robinhood.